Now available are McCarthy cars, Land Rover Freelander in silver metallic with xenon headlights, front parking sensors, (17-inch) alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, it's got a luggage cover, twin back seats, let's have a look inside the car. Full cream cloth seats, folding rear seats, armrest with cup holders, and for your safety, airbags on the back and on the front. Electric windows, electric windows on the front, electric and folding mirrors, Alpine sound system, it's got a 78,000 miles on the clock, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and Bluetooth. It's got a radio and CD player, air conditioning with climate control, 6-speed manual transmission, airbags on the front as well. To book a test drive and get the more information about this car, please call to McCarthy Cars.